What's up, guys? It is your boy R7 Gaming Gear here talking about a very sad topic. That topic is that Brackeys, he quit game development, guys. Now, it happened about 2 weeks ago on September 18th, and this is really interesting on why he quit game development. He mentioned that he didn't quit it not from a negative reason. Like what a lot of some other channels do is they'll quit for like a negative reason, be like, I'm burned out or something. The reason why Brackeys ended up quitting game development is because he felt like he accomplished his goal, and I really think he did, because he's been developing games for 8 years, and he has also gone to a bunch of conferences. Like, he knows the ins and out of game development. But it's just still really sad to see him go, because by far, Brackeys was some of the best tutorials, and he never charged anybody a dime for those tutorials. Like, he'd be talking about how you guys should go join his Udemy course, and you could get a better video, but no, his videos were 100% free. As long as you watched a few ads, his videos were 100% free. And that's one thing we need to see more in game development, in like tutorials. A lot of the times, if you look at some C# tutorials that talk about to join a Udemy course, which is like, don't charge for tutorial. Just know, like, AdSense is enough, guys. And also, one thing I'd like to mention that gets us relieved is that he didn't end his game jam, which is really good, because what a game jam is about is it's not about who made the best game. You have like a limited amount of time to make a game, and what really a game jam is about is what you learned in that short amount of time because you were in a time crunch. Like, so what better methods did you learn, or like, what did you learn? And one just other sad fact about Brackeys is, like, let's be honest, you searched up how to make a game in Unity, and then you saw his video from like 2016, maybe 15 or 17, about how to make a game, and a lot of these videos has really set dedication for me to start developing games, because what a lot of people vision coding as is just like really boring subject in typing stuff on a computer, but a lot of programming is actually really fun. And I think that channels like Brackeys definitely did bring a light to that fact. Now, Brackeys says that he might be involved in some projects in the future, but this is pretty much his last video. The one thing I like about Brackeys is he didn't completely end his whole, like, channel. No, he still keeps the legacy up for us to go on their Discord server, didn't private any videos. You could find some old Brackeys videos and not see them privated. Guys, that's just going to be it for today's short video, guys. In the comments, comment RIP Brackeys. That's just going to be it for the video, guys. Bye.